In this video, we're going to talk about one of the unsung heroes in the landscape lighting company, and that's the guy who takes the time to lay out the overhead design. As you know, we integrate both LB Pro and LB Lite, integrate with Google Maps. To make this easy, you can use a program like NearMap to get more up-to-date and higher res images for this, but this is so key in service and maintenance down the road. Also, if you're the owner of the company, you want to sell your company at some point in time, how much more valuable does this documentation make your company, make your asset? So I realize that this might take you 10 minutes per project to do, but it's so invaluable to actually do this for everything. And this was originally why I created LB Pro and LB Lite. It's still a feature of LB Lite too, that we can add our overheads by adding our fixtures, adding, whatever audio features we want in there. Use the wiring component, which is very easy to use. I simply just click where I want that wire to go. I can change the color, change the thickness. No reason. I can't think of any reason to change the opacity, but I can. So you can see that's how I attack that. Also here, because we don't have transformer signals, maybe I want to use just the square as my transformer. So that tells me I got a transformer right here. Maybe I want to use a circle. Maybe I want to use some text. Okay, I can rotate this text. So make sure that you are doing your overheads for every project. Utilize not just the fixtures, but the wiring, the shapes, the text to make sure that you've created almost a true as-built. Because again, at least in LB Lite, we just have generic products in here. In LB Pro, you can do all of this and have your specific products, which would be the true as-built. But at the very least, you're creating a great drawing of your project, which can help with everything you do down the road.